my brand, yeah, messy so. Let me go so me do. I miss your baby, I'm a phobia.
Yeah, when did you come?
Really? Me didn't see her.
I didn't see her.
You didn't even say hi.
Sorry, I didn't really want to interrupt your conversation.
Hey,
You're welcome.
Thank you.
where did you get ice cream? You didn't buy one for me.
I got you some. It's in the fridge.
Vanilla or chocolate?
Vanilla.
I know your favorite.
Vanilla. She got you vanilla.
I think it's getting late. So we have to go.
Where?
To your room. To your hostel.
Well, don't worry.
Let's go.
I want to complete the movie. See?
Let's go. Okay.
You really want us to go?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, let's go.
I don't want you to come here again.
Let's go. Okay.
Precious.
It's getting late. You have to go.
And I'm not complaining.
I have to go to bed.
You have to go to. You can go now.
Let's go.
So you really want me to go?
Let's go.
You don't have to be doing that. Huh?
So I'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
When?
When you want to come.
Are they really doing this?
I wasn't watching. I don't know what's going on. Let's go. I don't know why I want to stay here like that.
So I can't stay with you again?
Let's go. See, I'll be back.
Sure, Precious.
Bye.
Bye.
I left my handkerchief.
Seriously?
And I think my tooth.
Be fast, be fast.
And I think my. What is it? Where is it?
I'm waiting at the door.
I am my brand, yeah, messy so. Let me go so me do. I miss your baby, I'm a phobia. Say, yes, you can, I'm pen my show. See, I've been looking out for my baby. And I wanna know.
Seer, what was all that about?
What was what's about?
When Aroma came in, he decided to go and wear this to protrude your ass out for him to see. Why?
Wait, Precious. To begin with, you didn't tell me Aroma was coming here. And then you know there's a girl's hostel. So you should have told me, oh, see, I'll get a visitor. So, I mean, and then this is what I have. What do you mean?
Is that really your excuse?
I mean, you didn't tell me. So what do you mean I intentionally? It wasn't intentional.
But you saw him when you were coming from this side. You
I
saw
didn't
him
see
here.
him. I just noticed him when I was coming to sleep on the couch.
Oh, come on.
So
You could have still changed.
Changed. This is what I have. What do you mean changed?
Seer.
Huh?
Seer.
What?
If you were the one to have brought a boy here, I wouldn't have done that. You know that, right?
Precious. If I was supposed to bring somebody here, I would tell you. You know that. So it's your fault.
So that's your excuse.
It's not an excuse. I mean, I'm telling you facts. What? But I'm not allowed at the hall anymore. This is our hall. So, I mean,
Come on.
why that face?
That's not an excuse.
It is. So next time when you are trying to bring your boyfriend to the hostel, you let me know.
What do you mean my boyfriend?
I mean, have you seen me bringing somebody to the hostel? No. So just let me know.
You bring guys, but you don't put the tag on them that they are your boys, but you bring guys.
Have I introduced anybody to you? No.
I thought you would even be sorry. After telling you this, I thought you were going to say you are sorry and all that.
Precious. You know it's not my fault. But I'm sorry.
So whose fault is it?
It is yours, of course. You should have told me. I didn't want to come and meet your boyfriend here. Sorry, why that face?
Do you know he was looking at you?
He wasn't. How would you know he was looking at me?
He was looking at you. That's even why I made him leave. He was looking at you the whole time.
So talk to your boyfriend if you are having
And
a
I'm
problem.
sure you knew he was looking at you.
Precious. If you have a problem, talk to your boyfriend, not me. Okay? This is my hostel. I have all the right to do whatever I want.
I'm leaving.
What do you mean you're leaving? Wait. Precious. What did I do? Precious!
Face to second, Only some best most one.
Hey, Asantua. Nyame kwa na ye wadon wo say kwata na nam wa me wo nti no ena me ye ya fa son we bi e ma benya time what
You say maybe first and second na me ma o me no na o me was the end to say in the na mama could ten.
So let me tell you something. When the teacher for train plan on. Eh mun sua de bi mo aye. When the teacher for train plan na ma we last say. Na mo man sa John for nkura no say chimu wo birim. Na mo sa de yi kaya banza na sa bre ye teacher for no. Na mo sa we last mun sua de. But when the teacher train plan is mun sua de. Teacher will help you 50%. Then you take 50%. If you grab up, then you do 100%. Why we last this? I won't show you. When you say, do you money doggy? Because you won't be cola, Miss Row, me bow, but who's swing dear? Who's swing at the enemy? When them school what my mama won't says our guy, you know, man, and take Patricia soon in a champion. Me can't see daddy, and I say, worry your Santua, worry, go to what I am what, and I'm a wow.
Say change, Vina call it.
Hey, I told you, don't call me say change, then you call me say change. I told you, call me my.
No, this say change since I need the floor school.
Hey, Santua, you call me say change. Come to shame. Kuna kwa na mummy eni mo twempra mama asai de bia pressure begu yan teacher for so adai je ho ne suade English yi ma promise o 6/6 bye 6/6
6/6 and no say any position no
na dey na
position say e be a first and second and third
you na akrokro no akofi asini tate Squatter no go and say Barbara wapa. Squatter no shaman one. Hey, and I couldn't see Shelly Kelly.
You saw mommy the first. Ubama the first.
Now, now.
Me call me the batem. What the batem?
I'm 5/6. 5%. 5%.
10/10.
Boy, the man come over. Oh, that to you. In Africa.
I am a brand here, Messi, so let me go show me do. Let me see your baby, I'm a Fabia. Say, in yes, you can't unpen my show. See, I've been looking out for my baby, and I wanna know if you could do it for me.
I said, come. We do cool school, sir.
So what's been going on, bro? For me, because now the end is so close to
So why me? Why?
Father, my then.
Why?
My then.
Why, Adams?
Offer.
And I do one bag on Korea, Opa de Amakoto, only tira. I am a cotton amano. I see an old to Tataya. I don't grow the bad friends. Ama the crap of cotton. He doesn't have the friends. Share me person the be because I know for no one for man go school. Hey, me no kasa we dey dan duru wa shege na America. Kunama. Ya me pen kwasi asebo. Me person da chi ube bi wa kasa me for no wa amoa ube chamba bi my uncle, no education, no taking care of me, no travel, no marriage, no food, no everything. I don't hear that. Shut up over there. I'm talking, then you're talking. Shut up over there. So we see school no won kona abaye namfosam na dia yem kwase asem no hamia me wo hamia me how papa me say one hamia I don't have a problem to disturb you, but if you say you disturb me, brother, you run.
No fancy ma okay kwa me ko school me nyan namfosam ni adamfo me kwa mesua ma ade ye pon ma bafi ti dia me wo kan na me e me wanwa
sana wo ka che me dia me hu ela me kan wo pa ko Mumpe jai, upa ye namfosem, eye wa dache, enye me dache. It's your future. Ye kase mana wo kase bi wa wonim se the game.
That wo for what asem bi kra nye say na so.
Flako, John boy. We are John pa wati. John be any nyansa ba wo John we there. It was a limit. It was limit. Why are you doing like that? I take you are my niece. I take you to go education to learn. But you don't learn. You're taking like your uncle is a teacher, your uncle is educated, your uncle is a blah 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 blah, then you take that opportunity to do it. Right?
If I me nye bibia, what say asem kra, wo so nya abotre na na me kasa. Fa ya wo ye beni na you wa.
Daddy, wouldn't me be cook on the nigga.
I for me come no kra na.
That wouldn't me cook on the nigga na.
O father be me.
Sure. Would you me ko bisa Cisco? What it? Wouldn't me call the nigga. So be how many one shot so an cost na so be gum ani mu ase ahon. E be fun no. Wallahi ya fun onka. Jaja me ba we fie modin jaja me. Hey, one Nike is a crown. You want Nike? She come on, Dodo. Why we are?
I am a brand here, Messi so. Let me go show me do. Let me see your baby, I'm a Fabia.
Why are you acting weird?
I mean, it's nothing.
It's nothing. So, are you fine?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
So, would you mind if I take you out today?
Today? What about Precious?
See, we are talking about us. Don't involve Precious. We are grown-ups. Like, why should we involve Precious in this conversation?
I mean, you and I know Precious is a friend of mine. I mean, a really close friend of mine. And then you guys are a thing. So come to think of it.
See, and who is going to tell Precious that I took you out today? Will
know.
you do that?
No, I won't.
No, and I'm not going to do that either. So, chill. Come on. We're just going to have fun and nothing else.
I know, right? But then, what if Precious finds out and then she's...
What if she doesn't find out? What if we go and nothing happens? What if nobody sees us? Come on, girl.
I know you have a point, but...
So, you don't want me to take you out?
No, not that. I'd like to go with you.
I feel the connection now. I know you have something for me, you understand? And for all I know, I'm the lover boy in the school, you know that. I'm the toughest guy in the school. So if you go out with me, nothing will happen.
Precious won't get to know about it.
Don't involve Precious, please. We are talking about us here. It is us, you and I alone. Nothing like Precious, you understand?
You need to shout, I understand.
I'm just a tag guy, you understand? Forgive me. Can you turn around? That's what I'm talking about. Come here. So I'll send you SMS. You understand? Can you see the message? You come down there.
Okay.
I will wait for you.
I'll see you around.
See you. Alright. Aroma the toughest guy. Cage. Be a chibi couple. Precious.
Wait.
Why are you walking and you are walking past by then you are crying?
I don't want to talk about it.
Talk like that. I can't
I
hear.
don't want to talk about it.
So why are you crying? The teacher beat you?
What's your problem? Just get out of my sight.
No, you see, we are all in the school.
Oh,
so if
I said don't talk about it. I don't want to talk about it, so don't talk about it.
Precious, it's me.
Why are you guys so nosy? Why do you always want to talk about somebody? Just let me be okay.
Mimi, I'm no.
Oh!
Mimi, Precious will be a wasama to a sebi. Me no ne sebi classmate. Na sebi asama to na me share cry be a Opoku. Say any sense na me name wana say you are talking rubbish to me? Huh? What is it?
I don't even deserve to talk to somebody like this.
Why? Better watch that. Ko ohunu na dia boare. Ko what? Say you was Nike. Me share yi. Owo gram nim ni. Me share Nike na me share nti obeda bu me. I say no things one boy no problem. Tanya the boy no nya problem ah. If you teacher ni bia bono. Na dey private ne kan. Catch you say I'm so nosy. That's a me ka kraka. Here we am gasa o say me nya no time. What took you so long?
I didn't even want to come. So, what do you have to tell me?
You didn't even want to come. What is that supposed to mean? I called you, so what do you mean by I didn't want her to come?
Come on. Do you still expect me to be the sweet girl that I was? Honestly, listen, I don't think I can do this anymore. Cause
You don't think you can?
cheat.
Why are you saying this? What has happened? What is it? Why?
I saw you with my friend. Even if you want to cheat on me, do you have to cheat on me with my friend?
Wait. Your friend. Which of your friends?
You don't know.
Seer. Come on, babe. Seer is your
You
friend.
were even able to mention the name.
Because I know what you're talking about. Seer is a friend to you. So, what is wrong with me being friends with my girlfriend's friend? Come on, girl. You know the connection, It's normal, girl.
You're a liar.
What do you think I have with her?
I saw you guys.
What were you doing?
You were standing right here. Right at this spot.
That was because she was heartbroken and there was nobody there to console her. So I was just trying to
Do
be
you
the
have to
good
lie
guy.
to me?
Hey, Kanin.
Do you have to lie?
You know it is you and you alone.
I actually can't do this anymore.
Kanin.
I can't do this. Okay, I can't.
Hey. You were meant for me.
No.
You understand?
No.
You can't.
I can't do this anymore.
Hey, somebody's just passing. Come on, why are you doing this?
You can't shush me. I'm no more the girl that you used to know, okay?
Kanin.
I am literally done.
Kanin, you know what? I don't know. There is nothing going on between Sian and I. Sian is your friend and she's also my friend. So come on. I just wanted somebody to talk to.
I don't care. Listen, if you want a girl who would understand you when you cheat, I don't think I'm the girl. Because I can't do this.
Hey.
I can't share, honestly.
If persuasion fails, force must be applied.
What can you do?
Hey, Kanin.
What can you do?
You know who you're dealing with. The
Can't
toughest
do
guy
me
on campus.
anything.
I can't do you anything.
You can't do me anything.
I promise you that if you dare walk out of me, you won't like what will happen. Kanin! No. Hey, Kanin!
Somebody to Nazunto.
I capella.
What are you here?
I say I will say.
Hey!
What do you want in my
What do you want in my house?
I want a scanty.
You want what?
Scanty.
Scanty, are you building the house?
No, I'm not building a house because I'm not a building constructor. But I come to scanty.
You come to Scanty.
Scanty.
What do you want in my house?
I want Scanty.
You want what?
Scanty.
You. Are you scrap your face to me? You come to my house, then I'm talking to you, then you scrap your face to me? Huh? Who pedia you me fear?
You basket home.
One we are on no boss, mamma, you don't say teacher, if you have student to be a man and say you what it. I told you don't call me searching, but you call me searching.
Say my
Do what shaky.
teacher, we are not about.
What it? Who be a who go school no? Nanki who go school for woman you want dear. I don't know what my born, what me men give more from one down.
For money, my dear.
I don't know what my born school no. I have come home meeting and I born for meeting and now I'm men go.
You know I'm illiterate.
Illiterate people.
We are the best students.
Shut the fuck up. I'm talking, then you're talking. What's wrong with you? Huh? Do you have a mother?
Say, you peel out.
When you want to fiana home, what do I say? I say, son, yes or no. What it? Your face like a flea. What me a cause are born for? You ain't a bony, what don't go you, you might be.
For money, I'm born.
Why we are home? No, Boama with Tibetale. Why we are met back and you said teacher, you be in no party. Ash, then what? I'm Natalie. What it? Thank you for supporting me. What it?
Say, please, we beg.
What is what do it doesn't show respect.
Say, please, we beg.
What kind of this dating life? Massa, so what when you would do more summer home? Would you school no one you watching so we'll see you been a dear? Most school was a number. Come on, brother, maybe a good dog no manufacturer man. I will fire. Who fire? When you support that, you will find what it? When you support that, what it?
No.
When you have one chance again, would you what it?
I am a brand here, Messi, so let me go show me door. Let me see your baby, I'm a Fabia. Say, in yes, you can't unpen my show. See, I've been looking out for my baby, and I wanna know if you could do for me. Pill be a hobby, girl, call me. Send to me, I'll back a mule. I need someone to hold me down today. Me pay up your bet in my summer. Holding it down.
Hold the house. Hold. I say hold it. I say hold it. I saw you holding the house. Hold it.
No, I didn't hold it.
I said, so baby, and I was sort of found. Say, we are on the song.
Take a canamia.
Say, yes, school now, move Siadiana, Mobejum, who was Siadiano, and Quasiasan, Mamma parents, Epoka to go, maybe what? Huh? You can't why when you are Chia Sabochia. What it?
Send away will be
a like about couldn't be sent out like Callan and Demuson Quan. She said, we are singing in whom, maybe what? Say, huh? Send away with your business, you'll be an eye. So in Saturday, who went to Uber school. And I will go me myself so on. Now, Otesia and Adiciana Musia. Your quiet class. For quiet class, and I don't say we run motor no so there is no chairman. Grandma bring what?
I don't know.
Grandma bring what? I know. So you know, remember. Hey.
So what can say our pump my TV free? How prepare?
Yeah, Mr. Wong, walk school. Mr. Minya sure say we'll be school. Minya sure say we'll be school because You couldn't prepare your mind to say you finish the school, but every day you follow bitches.
So me, I don't follow that way.
Is that what you've been doing?
Or no, I'm walk across. No, Nima
Opoku.
Sir, into what? Which na will teach him, and I will be our boyfriend say, "It's a am possible follow ma." Can't you shame?
Please, it's not my boyfriend.
Can't you shame?
Classmate, and I'm
Can't you shame?
No, I don't have shame.
Now what you warm? What you want you know? The needs and baby school mo anche. Needs and pregnancies. You better receive bebre.
Yeah, cry. What? To say you two rubber and tino. He said the ministry.
Oh, keep on trying. Why? You know, thanks everyone.
Sir, please, we have class.
Was there gonna be intino? Tuna any tea class.
From somewhere.
We have class.
Let me assume.
You want to go, okay?
So should this shame I on them one. So I don't start saying I'm to him. Can't you flip?
Tell my chain.
For room said you na for room. Namu fancy namu kona yama wife.
But say, oh, dear, oh, you was kuma in your home. Said, dear, oh, you in your home. No, yesterday, I said, you dear children, do the Munanti.
What am I?
And Master Ma was kuma, we in your
Stop, I mean, I'm
Stop rubbish.
Your class on quite don't mind you
stop rubbish.
I should stop one rubbish.
Would you miss some more? Who crime at the
Tell me that who made video I could child master.
I video made the mark on him.
Made video work or child master.
Yeah, and you know, who video made the mark.
Me the many say who say, oh, your master.
Which any idea about secretary students are there?
Only a motor champion, I have so now, oh, Cassan.
I just don't know what to trim. Okay, come with Tibom rough. Your class will girls too.
We should say,
what be Janabe?
Ah, be Janabe.
Country shame. No, we don't have shame. We don't have shame.
Should be a book ban on the body. Book a crowd. If it's a Michelle's come out, crowds. Ah,
say chains. Say capo. And capo hene.
Teacher knew Timmy baby to money.
Boy.
And capo hene was one.
Say chains.
Teacher knew we are Cassadi. Minim said the end what they buy me a far no. Said the end minim you put out the buy.
So easy be a year. No, no.
We set no the buy.
Because, eh.
Because the children pass and which
I Medu be a
real one for us, my mouse.
Let me cry the a boy. Baby, I'm gonna make pill. Visit that and ask my mom so.
Obey, say, I'm not teaching you, Jim.
Missing me pill. Ah,
it's if you have say, oh, Mude. If every times book, you're going to be a message. If every times book, you know about it, say, if every times book, one of Cotonou come out to so. I'll buff and I'll bubble tap on why the magic. Now, she children me from Picasso, but is there a quaint? Then was a canteen at him for no. Hey, Opoku. I dissuade the over almost so beside you. Mamma, Papa, no, we are west side, this young life. Who now chimpram and it's a walk chimpana. Hey, who square session is in our daughter. What do you do? Baby, oh, then I am the Yobiak. I am Bobby.